That's too big. Why would you like that? I'll take a picture and give it to Ate Dong. Mahal. Good morning, Christlen Ubas. Ayan, thank you. Mahal naman yun. Mahal. Balik niya. Mahal yun. Ano ba yun? Hello, hello. Hindi niya alam anong gusto niya. Kasi mahal man yun, oy. Bluey. Ito uso ngayon eh, Bluey. Yan. That's expensive, anak. Yeah, that's expensive. We'll buy another one. No, that's $32.99. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just wait for Dad. Hello, Catherine. Hello, Mikay. Good morning. Uy, Mikay, pinadala na yung box. Abangan mo yung box. Mikay, pinadala na. Baka first week ng January. Oo, bongga talaga. Di ko pa napadala sa'yo, Maricar. Sa ano na pag may time na. Di ko alam ano laman, anong pinaglalagay ni mother doon. Yan. Oo. Abangan mo na lang, di ko alam anong laman doon. Si mother ang naglagay. Hindi ko alam eh. Pinadala na, nung isang buwan pa ata yun eh. Ay, hindi, baka, ewan ko kung kailan, pero pinadala na. You want all of this? Yeah, oh, ako din, gusto ko all of it. Kaya lang next time na. Next time na tayo. Mag all of it. All of it daw. Char. Oh. Jilana, we can do this one. Painting. You like painting? You don't want painting? Okay. Oh, okay. Ayaw man niya na. Ano yan si Chrislyn Ubas? Ano yan? Bagong Angels? Bagong Angel ba yan? Chrislyn Ubas o hindi? Angel ba siya? Bago. Okay. Bigyan ko ng Okay, sandali. Okay. Binigyan kita ng jacket. Okay. Mahal niyan eh. I know. I'll take you a picture though. Can I take you a picture so I'll give it to Ate Dong? We have to wait for that then. You want that? I already take a picture and give it to Ate Dong. No.